Everybody loves to cha-cha-cha. Little children like to cha-cha-cha. Everybody loves to cha-cha-cha. Little children like to cha-cha-cha. They like to cha-cha-cha. They like to cha-cha-cha. Ooh, everybody likes to cha-cha-cha. Took my baby to the hop last night, and what to my surprise, when we got there, she hit me with the news right between the eyes. Yeah, she said she couldn't do the cha-cha-cha. She said she couldn't do the cha-cha-cha. She couldn't, no, she couldn't cha-cha-cha. Ooh, my baby couldn't do the cha-cha-cha. I told her not to worry, they'd play some other dance. But we sat there for an hour and a half, and we never got a chance. For every song they played was the cha-cha-cha. Every song they played was the cha-cha-cha. Tom Dooley, T for two, cha-cha-cha. Ooh, every number was the cha-cha-cha. I told her not to worry, there's only one thing we can do. Baby, if you let me take you by the hand, I'm gonna teach this dance to you. Then I taught her 1, 2, ooh, 1, 2, and up now, baby, and back now. That's right, turn now, all right, let's cross now. Ooh, I taught my baby how to cha-cha-cha. We kept on dancing, and was I surprised, for you see, after we practiced for a little while, she was doing it better than me. Now my baby loves to do the cha-cha-cha. Ooh, she loves to do the cha-cha-cha. She likes the, ooh, she likes the cha-cha-cha. Ooh, everybody likes the cha-cha-cha. They do it 1, 2, all right, 1, 2, and up now, all right, back now, all right, baby, let's cross now, and turn now. Whoa, 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 la ta ta, la ta 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 ta, cha 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 cha.
This dance is called Everybody Cha-Cha-Cha. This is a full wall, 32 count, improver level line dance, choreographed by Stephen Gell. This is my dance. Weight is on the right, 7, 8. Cross rock, left over right, recover, right. Left side chassé. On the left side chassé, you can add Cuban hips for styling. Rock back on the right, recover, left. Right, kick and cross. Now facing 12 o'clock, weight is on the left foot. Step the right foot to the right side, step left next to right, right side chassé. On the side chassé to the right, you can add styling of Cuban hips. Rock back on the left, recover, right. Left, kick and cross. Weight is on the right foot, now facing 12 o'clock. Rock the left foot to the left side, recover, right. Left sailor quarter turn to the left. Weight is on the left foot, now facing 9 o'clock. Step forward on the right foot, make a half turn pivot left. Step forward on the right foot, hold for the next count with clap. Step forward on the left foot, make a half turn pivot right. Step forward on the left foot, hold with clap for the next count. Rock forward on the right, recover left, right coaster step. facing 9 o'clock, ready to restart the dance. The count of the dance. Weights on the right, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8, 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. There is an ending to this dance. The ending happens on wall 10. Wall 10 starts facing 9 o'clock. You'll dance the first 8 counts of the dance, then add an ending. Weight is on the right, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Add the ending at this point. Step the right foot to the right side, step left next to right, make a quarter turn shuffle right. Now finishing at the front wall. There are no tags or restarts in this dance. Thank you so much for watching.